Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will discuss 7 important ways to build passive income assets. Firstly, I will tell you. What is passive income? Many people dream of having a passive income. A consistent source of income that requires minimal work to sustain is called passive income. This can include money from royalties, dividends, interest, rental property income, and more. The concept behind passive income is to invest your time or money up front in order to enjoy the rewards later on without exerting additional work. As an illustration, if you put a small amount of money into a dividend-paying stock like Coca-Cola, KO, at the beginning of each year, you will receive a percentage of the company's yearly dividend payment. 1. Start a blogs. Although you may be making money from your blog, it's vital to remember that the most popular blogs are those that are driven by passion. A passive income stream may not be for you if you dislike creating and posting material on your own website. Consider the type of information users are seeking online when deciding on a niche, and then write content that addresses those needs. 2. Start a YouTube channel. You may build a YouTube channel and earn good money using Google AdSense, much like with video courses or audiobooks. You may make good money by launching a YouTube channel if you can produce engaging, eye-catching videos that draw viewers in. You can also visit my channel. 3. Create an online course. Make a video course and offer it for sale on Udemy. Your course may do well on their website if you are likable in front of the camera or have strong presentation abilities. There are tens of thousands of courses covering practically every topic on the website. 4. Start photography. You must pick a source of income that won't consume your time if you want to make money without wasting time. For instance, if you enjoy and are skilled at photography, start an online wishlist website. Users will pay you to take pictures of the gifts they want to send to others as gifts. You'll be able to turn a profit in the future if you do it this way. 5. Invest in mutual funds. Mutual funds are a great method to invest passively and expand your wealth. An excellent place to start is with diversified mutual funds because they may help spread out your risk and provide you peace of mind by reducing your exposure if one of the funds in your portfolio loses money. 6. Invest in stocks. Stocks are a terrific option to invest in if you're interested in doing so. The ownership of a firm is represented by a stock, a sort of instrument that is exchanged on markets like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE. Stocks can be risky because their value fluctuates often, but if you invest intelligently, they can also provide very large profits over the long term. 7. Invest in real estate. Real estate investing is perennially popular, and while high interest rates may be softening the market now, investors are likely to storm back to real estate with a vengeance, if and when rates fall. In fact, Americans love real estate, and a 2022 Bankrate survey showed that it was their favorite long-term investment, even beating out stocks. The method I most frequently advise for increasing wealth is passive income because it is so effective. While you're still working a full-time job, you can start making money with little time or effort. If you want to increase your income in addition to your passive income source, you can even start a side business or get a second job. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you want to get more informative videos, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.